Hello there, folks. I'd like to talk to you today about this new DeWalt riveter I just picked up. It's a 360. You can turn the head to whatever you need to get in there to the spots. It's pretty heavy built, real nice. It's got 4 different for the rivets, different sizes. And anyway, I've got to fix the tail light on the back of the truck, so I got this, and I'll bring you along for that. But anyhow, it's a nice heavy riveter. So I'm in Erie, Pennsylvania, and I got to fix the tail light. The red lens is off there on the back. The light still works, but I got to still take it off and replace and put a new one on there. We'll see how it works. Folks, I'm fixing to fix this light here on the truck here. I gotta fix it and replace it. The lens is going on. Using the DeWalt 12-volt DCF, the DCF503 we're using, the extended. It's just because it's one I got. I gotta undo the tape. I think I'm gonna cut these off here. I'm fixing to put these, I'm replacing the screws that I had, and I'm going to, on this here, put some rivets in here. This is the new rivet gun. It's a DeWalt, and it's a DWHTMR 77C, and it's got a swivel head on it. You can do a 360 on it, and I'm just going to use these 3/16 rivets here. They fit, they're just a little tight. I'm going to use the DeWalt rivet gun. I'm going to put it on the 3/16 rivet. It's all hard. Okay, folks, it's all working. Got the stuff together. And anyhow, got a new DeWalt cup. Sell them with the Tractor Supply now. I didn't know they had them put a Yeti handle on it, same size. I like the DeWalt, same thing. But anyway, it's a 30 ounce tumbler. DXC30OZTYS.